What's shaking, everybody? Raph here from B&C Camera, and today I've got some exciting news for you guys today as Canon just announced the R10 lineup of mirrorless camera body systems. So, unlike the Canon's EOS R5 and R6, the R10 is an APS-C camera system, or crop sensor as it's commonly known as. But hey, don't let the sensor size fool you, as the R10 will be packing a more than capable 24.2 megapixel sensor. Not only that, but we gotta also mention that the R10 has the same Dual Pixel CMOS autofocus tech that's found in the R5, R6, and even R3.
How's it going, guys? So we're here at the store. Just wanted to test the auto-focusing features. Look at me. It's like I'm doing a music video. It'd be great if you're doing a music video with the R10, because you know the auto-focusing is pretty locked on, just like the R5, the R6, and even the R3.
If you pair that with the 15 frames per second mechanical shutter, you won't be missing your shot in terms of constant shooting. Just like the EFS from the DSLR days, the RFS line will be predominantly for Canon's APS-C sensor mirrorless bodies. It isn't to say though that you'll be locked into the RFS, as the mount system is an RF type. So you could use the full flame RF glass and even pop in the Canon mount adapters to use older EF mount systems. Now the camera will come out of the box with an LP-E17 battery and charger. The R10 has a micro HDMI port and a USB-C port on the side, along with a 3.5mm mic input as well. And lastly, for those wanting to have a general purpose camera that can do video, the R10 will be a very capable video system as well too. The R10 is able to record 4K 30 frames per second on the highest end, but will also be able to shoot 1080p at a quick 120 frames per second. Perfect for those wanting to do some awesome slow-mo or speed ramp videos. And of course, I can't leave the biggest question that'll be on everyone's mind within regards to its video capabilities. There will be no record limit. You heard that right, no record limits. So pizzazz all around for that one. Now there will be three options to choose from the Canon EOS R10. You'll have the body, the 18-45, and the 18-150 as well too. I'll go ahead and list the prices for you guys right now. So there you have it. Whenever you're ready to rock and roll, feel free to check out the online store or swing by at the shop here in Las Vegas to talk to us a little bit more about the R10. Thanks for catching the video. Catch you in the next one.